Once you're done playing your flute, you want to clean your flute. There's 3 ways that you can do this. The most common, traditional way is with a cleaning rod. Most flutes include a cleaning rod. Some are made out of wood, some are plastic, some are metal. Doesn't really matter what it's made out of. The purpose of the cleaning rod is to allow you to have a handkerchief go through to absorb the moisture. Simply put it through the eye of the rod, kind of like threading a needle. Fold it over the rod and hold it tight. Then push it through the body, through both sides. This will help absorb the moisture on the inside. You can also push it into the head joint a little bit, but be careful not to go too far. If you push it too hard, you can actually adjust the position of the head joint cork, and it can affect the tuning of your flute. You can also use a pull-through swab. These are more common on clarinet, but they also do work for flute. They'll have a weight at the end of the string. Simply put it into the body and drop it all the way down, and then pull it through. This is a quick and easy way to get the moisture out of the inside of your flute. Another popular option is called a pad saver. Pad savers come in 2 different forms, either a 2-piece kit or some will just come as a 1-piece. Either way, the principle is the same. Ideally, you want to use a pad saver after you use one of the other 2 methods, because the purpose of the pad saver isn't to actually absorb the moisture from the main cylinder of the body, but instead get the remaining moisture from the inside of the tone hole chimney and off the surface of the pads. After you do one of the other 2 methods, simply push the pad saver into the body, and when you get near the end, pull it in and out a few times so that the bristles fold up into the tone holes and absorb that last little bit of moisture. This will help prevent against sticking pads. On the 2-piece model, they'll typically have a sponge. This is so that you can actually put it into the head joint and get all the way to the top. When you're done with this, you can leave it in the body when you put it away in the case. The foot joint one can also be put into the foot joint, in and out a few times, and left inside. We recommend washing these once a month in the kitchen sink with soap and water and letting them air dry. After that, they're good to go. We'd recommend replacing them once a year.